Hello friends, and welcome back to another crafting video. Today I am going to show you how you can create these easy DIY bookmarks using the waste cartons that you get when you buy any chocolates or any other thing. This is part 2 of the bookmarks which I had made earlier also. Over there also I had shown you 4 bookmark ideas, and in this series I am going to show you some tassel and some quoted bookmarks. This first bookmark is a very simple quoted bookmark. In this I have written #LoveReading and have made some flowers all around, and I'll be decorating this bookmark. And the paper which I have used is a waste carton on which I have pasted a plain white paper, and I'm doing the drawing on top of it. You can use a black marker pen or you can use a black sketch pen. So as I'm drawing over here, I'd like to tell you a little bit about these bookmarks. These are really easy to make and perfect for any book lover. It's a great way of spreading the joy of crafting and reading together to each other. These personalized bookmarks definitely add a touch of charm and creativity to your reading adventures. The best part about these bookmarks is that whatever things are used to create these bookmarks are readily available in the home, because all of us have some paper and some marker pens. You can even use sketch pens and a few colors lying around, and some sellotape and wool or any other silk or cotton thread to make the tassel. This is the only thing that you need to create these beautiful bookmarks. And there are different ways how you can create these bookmarks. You can use only 1 or 2 colors, or if you want you can just use all the colors of the rainbow in a bookmark. Depending upon your mood, you can use the type of bookmark that you wish to use. You can use watercolors to paint some bookmarks, or you can simply print out some designs that you like and stick them on a paper to create the bookmarks. So even if you are not really good at drawing, you can easily create a range of bookmarks. So over here I have made all these bookmarks using pens and colors, because all of them are your handmade bookmarks. And after completion of the drawing, here I am applying the tassel on one corner and then using a sellotape to stick it properly. And before I finished off the bookmark, I also applied a layer of sellotape all over the bookmark so that it lasts longer, and I did that on both the sides. And now coming to this second bookmark, this is a very easy pattern. All you need to do is create some colorful patches all around on the bookmark, and then you need to draw a leaf on top of these colored patches. And this is the same design which I had used in painting my jade pot. That's the last video which I had uploaded. And now the same pattern I am going to be using on this bookmark also, because I really like this pattern and it's really easy to make. So once the pencil coloring was done, I went ahead and used sketch pen of a matching shade on top of it, so that the colors become a little bit more vibrant and it becomes a little bit more smoother to look at. So in this manner I am going to color all the patches of this bookmark, and then using a marker pen, you can use a permanent marker or even a black sketch pen. All you need to do is draw a simple leaf on top, and I'm going to color up all the leaves black in color. So this is a really simple bookmark idea which looks very much attractive. And the best thing about this bookmark is that you can use your favorite colors to give the background, and you can even create some patterns on this background if you want to, before creating the leaf on top. I also gave it a black border all around. And now coming to this next bookmark. This bookmark drawing is one which I had seen somewhere and I really liked it. It is a pile of books with a cup of tea, coffee or milk, whatever, on top. So this was the pattern which I really liked, so I decided to recreate it. So in this manner you can make the various books, and I've also given a quote on top of the cup of tea or coffee which says "Made Today Great." So this is a really simple bookmark idea, and you can use different colors to color up the books, so that gives it a really nice vibrant color. And all of these bookmarks are tassel bookmarks, and some of them are also quoted bookmarks. So once all the coloring and everything is done, to make the bookmark last longer, I add a layer of sellotape on top of the bookmark on both the sides, and I trim off the edges, and then only I add the tassel. And I've done this on all the bookmarks, though I have not shown it on the video. So in this bookmark I'm going to show how you can apply the tape on top after finishing off the painting of the bookmark. So once I made the basic drawing, I colored the bookmark bright yellow and then made some orange dotted circles, and this really brightens up the bookmark and makes it so much more vibrant. So once all this step is done, I also gave it a border using a ruler and making some tacking kind of dashes all around. You can also give it a plain border, and over here I am applying the scotch tape on the two sides. So doing this step will definitely increase the shelf life of your bookmark. It won't get frayed at the edges. And now coming to this bookmark, which is of this cute dog. I really like this bookmark because I love dogs. The dog that I tried to make is actually a beagle, though it might not look like a beagle, but that was what I intended to make. But whatever it is a really cute bookmark, and I have also given a quote at the lower side. So this one is also one of my favorite bookmarks. Then I'll be adding the sellotape on both the sides, and I'll be giving it a tassel as well. And as far as the tassel is concerned, I have already shown how to create the tassel in my first DIY bookmark video. So if you want, you can check it out over there if you wish to know how to create a tassel. And I have created tassels using wool. You can use silk thread or cotton thread to make the tassels if you want. So over here now I am giving some final touch-ups to the beagle that I have made, and finally I am going to create some pattern on the empty space. So in this manner you can make some crisscross lines and color one edge of these boxes so that it gives a beautiful pattern. And of course I am going to give a black border all around. So in this manner I finished off creating this bookmark as well. The beauty of these tassel bookmarks is that the dangling nature makes it easy to locate and retrieve the bookmark from within the book. These are all the bookmarks that I have for you today. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.